Previously on TechnoX, technological advancement, the Apple Vision Pro. Another impressive feature is the mini LED backlighting system, which offers precise local dimming for Hello tech enthusiasts! Welcome to the TechnoX channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a detailed review of Threads app, exploring its latest features and user experience. If you're ready, let's get started. Threads app is a messaging platform that brings a fresh perspective to the world of social media. Developed by Instagram, owned by Facebook, this app enables you to have more private and meaningful conversations, particularly with your close friends. Once you download and install the app, you can seamlessly use it with your Instagram account. Threads app offers users a range of features. One of them is the Close Friends feature. With this feature, you can establish a closer connection with selected individuals and prioritize their updates in your feed. Threads app draws inspiration from Snapchat by incorporating the story format. You can create and customize stories, sharing them exclusively with chosen friends. Additionally, you can engage in real-time messaging with your close friends through direct sharing. One of the standout features of Threads app is its auto status updates. The app can automatically update your status based on data such as your location, speed, or battery level. This allows your friends to stay updated with relevant information while giving you the option to configure your privacy settings. Let's take a look at some user reviews and feedback about Threads app. Users praise the app for its user-friendly interface, private communication capabilities, and fast performance. However, some users express the desire for more customization options and the addition of new features. Threads app is a fantastic choice for private and meaningful communication. Its integration with Instagram enables you to establish a more intimate connection with your close friends. Features like close friends, stories, direct sharing, and auto status updates make the app even more appealing. However, since every user has different needs, we can expect Threads app to offer more customization options and introduce new features in the future. That wraps up our video review, covering the core features and user experience of Threads app. We look forward to hearing your thoughts and experiences about this app in the comments. At TechnoX, we'll continue to bring you the latest updates from the world of technology. Until next time.